So I'll be upgrading the exhaust system on my 1999 Civic HX, and I was able to find a low mileage exhaust from an Integra shipped to me from a dismantler in California. So it was in the desert part of California, a very nice dry climate, and it's a low mileage system, so there's no rust on it at all. The diameter of the Integra exhaust measures about 2 inches, whereas the diameter of the current exhaust on my Civic HX from the factory measures about 1.75 inches. This is also going to allow me to use a catalytic converter from a Civic EX and convert to an EX style exhaust system. That moves the catalytic converter outside of the exhaust manifold and will allow me to pair it with a performance exhaust manifold. So I was able to track down the last Hedman exhaust manifold currently in stock with a stepped primary tubing. So it's a very nice piece. It's made in America. It comes with a high temperature thermal coating on it in a polished color. And it's got nice smooth merges. I'll take a more extended video once I get the exhaust installed. And right now I'm on my way to drop off this exhaust to be coated from the catalytic converter on back in a similar high temperature ceramic coating. And it even came with the polished exhaust tip with very little to no damage on it at all. So it's going to have a very nice factory finish once it's installed on the car. And noise volumes should be pretty similar to where they're at right now, and with the new catalytic converter I would imagine it would pollute just a little bit less but still wake the engine up some.